Manly United travelled south to take on the Wollongong Wolves. They were good last week against Hakoah Sydney City East, and are hoping to make it 2 from 2. Brett Wilson should have given the Wolves the lead on 20 minutes, but Dylan Mitchell was brave in goal, keeping the attempt out. And Manly went within a centimetre of opening the scoring on 34 minutes, when Dom Ferguson saw his shot cannon off the post. Manly was surging, and Justin Pasfield was caught into action soon after, keeping out a shot from Brendan Chalakian. But Pasfield then almost gifted Manly the lead when he fumbled a Travis Cooper ball, almost seeing it trickle over the line. Manly's pressure paid off just before the break, as Dejan Pandurovic's curling shot from the edge of the area found the top corner, making it 1-0. Pandurovic nearly grabbed a double just after the restart, but his shot went just wide. But the second goal would arrive 8 minutes from time, as Adam Parkhouse's effort rebounded off the post, falling kindly to Dom Ferguson, who made no mistake.
The goal to Manly United FC. Manly United FC lead the Wollongong Wolves.
So another strong performance by Manly, 2-0 it finished.